If this next candle open, I was hoping this candle would chill right here. Um, yeah, it's just gonna break through. Let's see what happened on the next candle. Nice resistance, breaking support. Nice resistance, breaking support over here. Let's see if the next candle can open, make a top wick break this wick. That would be good idea to continue filling that range. Next candle can open, make a top wick break this wick. That is a nice setup right here. Nice continuation setup. Get a nice wick fill over here. Let's see what's going on. How many pips? So price came down, made resistance, made support in a downtrend. So there's a high probability that the next candle can continue with this thing. So let's see what happened over here. Let's see what happened over here. YouTube, let's go. Let's see. See what's happening over here on YouTube. Abo Dabo, let's go. What's up, bro? Good morning, bro. What's up, bro? Alex Fearson. Hey, what's up, Alex? Tana, what's up? Morning. We are locked in. We are locked in. It's a new day, new setup, new everything. It's a new day, new setup, new everything. Let's go. We got a setup already. We got a nice continuation setup on the lower time frame right now. 15-minute, 30-minute. This is a nice setup right here. Nice setup. Got wick fills over here. Good stuff happening. Good stuff happening. Good stuff happening over here. So let's see. Let's see what happened. Let's see if that next candle in 3 minutes can. If this candle close like this, this is perfect. This is perfect because if the next candle open right now, make some top wick and then flip and break that low, that is a high probability setup. That's a part of the playbook. This is a setup right here. So once you see the setup, you just have to execute. So let's see what happened on the next candle. This candle already did a nice pullback already. So we got 3 more minutes, but let's see if it's gonna hold up. Let's see if it's gonna hold up over here. Let's see if it's gonna hold up to fill this range with volume. let's see. Alright, let's see. Okay, this thing is pushing. This thing is pushing. Alright, so this stream is for educational purposes only. No financial advice, no promotions, no investments offered. So let's go. We are live on TikTok. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I think that's it. You know, I was hoping that the next candle would I was hoping that this would leave some space over here for the next candle, but I don't know. I think that this would be like a paper setup at this point. Maybe if the next candle do like let's say the next candle open and make an aggressive pullback, then it could do like a dynamic type of entry like yesterday on that paper setup. But apart from that, it already pushed. That was it. This push needed to chill. It just needed to chill for 2 more minutes. You know, this should have been the next candle pushing right now. So I think that move is coming to an end. But if the next candle opens and just starts pulling back, you know, then it could maybe put like a 20 pip SL up here, and then on the flip. But right now it's not looking good. It's already basically fill this whole thing. So that was, you know, that was tough. That was tough on the 30-minute. Let's see. Yeah, and this is a tough A. This is an A plus setup. This is an A plus setup, but this wick right here is too long. You see, if this wick was shorter, could have done a nice impulse entry on the 30-minute time frame as soon as it broke the low of the previous candle or the wick. This is a nice A plus setup. Price is in a downtrend, made resistance, made support, broke that support, you know, but can't do anything about that now. You know, A plus setup right here. Yeah. Almost had gold early here today, bro. Almost had gold early today. I almost got away with that today. I almost got away with that today, bro. Just needed 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes and would have got away with that. So now we just gotta wait. Well, I have to wait because, you know, there's no we. This is not financial advice. This is just a simulation. This is not real. Yeah, just gotta wait over here now. Barely missed that setup, so I gotta wait all over again. I have to wait all over again. Is the audio too loud on TikTok. Is the audio too loud on TikTok? Let's see. Good morning, y'all. Hey, Zeno, morning, let's go. Melly, let's go. Mugui, hey, what's up, bro? Jesus, good morning, bro. What can you suggest to trade in the USA? Honestly, I don't have no I usually just use my Jamaican stuff, so you probably have to do some research on that. But I'm sure you could find, some options. Maybe the spread commissions are a bit higher, but I'm sure there's maybe a few. Mikhail, hello chat. Hey Mikhail, what's up, bro? What's up, bro? It's another day, bro. Just like that, it's another day, bro. Just like that, it's another day, bro. Press that Bible. Bro, not today. Nice rejection. We gotta wait though. I mean, I want to see some more. Bro, like as soon as I woke up, lockdown, bro, this was looking like a nice continuation. We were 2 minutes away from having an early day today, bro, on Goldie. 2 minutes. Well, I was 2 minutes away, bro. I was just like, yo, this kind of need to close up here. But, it just went crazy. I'm good, bro. Today I make 4%. You think so? Let's see. So let's see what's happening on the it's cold. It's cold. It's cold in here. A winning morning for me. Got in some sales in Asian session from 31.56 and I just closed. Oh, nice. Crazy. Early sales, bro. Bro, honestly, sales are messy right here. I don't know if I'm gonna be looking for sales. Which one? Yeah, I'm gonna just wait to see something that makes sense for me right now on gold. So in the meantime, I'm gonna see what's happening on the swing side of stuff. Bro, you know what's crazy? Yesterday we were looking at EN. EN was going down the whole time. The whole time, bro. And the moment, literally, all of this thing coming down and the moment executed here was literally the moment for the reversal. That is crazy. Literally the lowest point, the floor of this thing, and then it just curved to the upside. Crazy stuff. This thing went down for literally 20 hours, 24 hours, and then the first 15 minutes went in. The trend was not our friend yet. Trend was not my friend, yeah. Literally. Like 20 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours this thing went down. 24 hours. 24 hours it was just going down, and the first 15 minutes I was like, okay, friendly, and that was, it so happened to be literally the floor of the reversal. That is crazy. But you know that stuff happens, so we just gotta push forward. Just gotta push forward. Gotta lock in. Oh, AU. Okay, I see what you're saying on AU. I see what you're saying on AU. We made a nice little support, and then it just pushed off. Yeah, can't do anything about that. No. Missed it. So you gotta be locked in. You gotta be locked in. See, 10 minutes can make a difference. That was a nice. If we saw it 10 minutes ago when that candle, that nice bull candle after the support, that would have been a nice opportunity. So right now we gotta wait all over again and see what's happening. See what's happening at EN. EN went all the way back up already? Crazy. Let me set a nice alert somewhere over here. Let's see GJ. Okay, GJ. EN reversed yesterday, like skirt. EN went skirt, and then it went all the way back up already. So I'm gonna just wait to see what happened on EN later. Trying to find the trendy setup so I can just see some support, resistance, nothing crazy. NJ looking like it's about a reverse up here. Yeah, so let's see. NU. See NU. NU. Okay, so it's going up. Got nice range to the upside. Maybe we could wait on some support. Just basically just missed the same support on the AU. That support right here. Just missed this. Like once it did this push up, this was the discount, and then this candle was a confirmation. So the execution would have been to give it a shot, like right here, you know. So we gotta wait. We gotta see the trend and see the support or the resistance. So on the H4, it's clearing this this level right here. So maybe later can see some support because he had a huge range up here. So let's just see what happened on let's just see what happened on NU. See what happened on NU. Gold farmer turtle soup. I'm in buys from 31.32. Oh nice, you entered on buys. Let's see. 31.22. 31.21. Alright, so this is some rejection here, which is good. So I wanna see this 30-minute candle close. You know, getting on that London open volume. So that's what I want to see. Some more confirmation. So the sales are over with. I hope so, because honestly, bro, like it's gonna be war below here. Below this zone is gonna be war, bro. So like everything down here 0.5 all day, bro. 0.5 all day. I mean, there's a nice wick here, but yeah, up on the buy side, the range is, you know, super clean. Super clean. If you can clear, like even clear this high, super clean, bro. So let's see what happens. Super clean on the buy side. was a nice little continuation though, bro. This is A plus setup right here, bro. A plus setup. Just hard timing. But let's see. Yesterday we got a nice W, so let's see if today we can get a nice W on Goldie. So this is the thing. Yeah, yesterday was like W plus W. So you know what? Today I'm a chill, bro. I'm gonna do like, a small little 0.5, just to make sure. How's Wi-Fi doing today, bro? Bro, fix my Wi-Fi complete, bro. Today, getting like see, why they suspend the live? Crazy. Didn't even mention anything. Today, bro, like 300 upload speed today, bro. 300 or 200 upload speed. Let's see what we're getting right now. Bro, why they flood the live? You see what I'm saying, bro? Like, I don't even mention anything. I didn't even mention anything, bro. TikTok be just crazy, bro. Didn't mention the YouTube. Didn't mention YouTube. Didn't say go to YouTube. Didn't funnel. Didn't mention Telegram. Didn't mention group. Didn't mention anything. Didn't mention executing a trade. TikTok is weird, bro. I think they flagged my account. But we're gonna submit a thing over here. Right now, bro, let's see this test. Change our internet, bro, completely. Rage changed our internet today. When I woke up, bro, today, the first thing I did was change our internet. Today we're getting, let's see, 750 download speed and upload speed. Right now it's like at 300 and something. Yesterday, bro, my upload speed was like 4. Today it's 300. So yeah, we don't have to worry about that thing anymore. Don't have to worry about that anymore. Yeah, I want to see a nice little support. I want to see some more confirmation on this. Let me see a nice closing maybe on the upside up here. So let's see. I want to see this candle closing up here, maybe like this. That would be interesting. That would be super interesting. So let's see. Basically want it to close maybe 80%, 70% of this candle, and then see what the 30-minute is saying, and then get in on that London open volume. So far this is looking really good. Really good. Nice bottom wick on the next candle. Nice bottom wick flip. Break this thing. Well, let's see. Got volume coming up in 10 minutes. Got volume coming up in 10 minutes. So let's see what can happen over here. Let's see what can happen over here. Honestly, if this thing can close right here, even better. Because you don't got to worry about a rejection. Got volume coming in, so we just got to see. We just got to see. I want to be careful over here too, because if you realize price rejected, like this is one candle rejected and pushed up 150 pips. So if you're gonna expect the next candle to push, like, I can't put too much pressure on one hour candle or something. So I'm gonna wait for like some more momentum to build up or something, to continue this push to the upside. Because if this candle is gonna make one rejection and one push, I need a proper pullback. I need to see maybe some little manipulation on the next candle. Just some patience over here. Because this candle already pushed up 150 pips. So even if it closed like right here, and the next candle makes some like a bottom wick, and then it do some stuff like this, it's gonna be too much pressure on one candle, one hour candle. Like this is gonna be like 200 pips. So I'm gonna be patient over here. Still got time. If it's gonna go up, you got nice range over here. So there's always support, and then it can break resistance. So I'm gonna wait to see. If you miss buys over here, like there's always support. If it goes all the way, if the next candle pushes up, and then there's a high probability you're gonna get some support after that, unless like volume is just like super crazy and it just keeps going up. So I'm gonna wait, because I don't like when one candle does all that stuff. So let's see, you got volume coming in 8 minutes too. So let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna do portrait. I'm gonna just do portrait over here. Let's see. Flip. Rotate. Why is this like that? And we add camera. Like this camera, flip at source. Okay, at source. Just trying to set up this thing over here. Trying to set up some stuff over here real quick. Let's put this in, bro. Alright, so okay, so let's see. Yeah, so not financial advice, no promotions, no services, nothing offered over here. So let's pin this. Bro, this is so weird. Let's test this thing one more time. All right. Why so early today? We're not early. We're not early. We're chilling. Dabo, Kunin. We're chilling. It's pre-London. Started at like 2:20 or something like that. Gotta get in on pre-London. Gotta get in for pre-London, bro. Pre-London, London Open. Sometimes the volume is pre-London. Sometimes, you know, it doesn't happen at London. So gotta be locked in to see what's happening. Gold farmer turtle. Buyers are more probability. Yeah, I think so too. Better probability on the buy side of stuff. Clean range. You know, so what I'm looking for right now on the simulation is to see what happened above 31.32. Above 31.32, I think that is a good idea to, you know, see what's happening on Goldie. That would be a good idea. Can you take a look at German 40? See German 40. German 40 was looking good yesterday. German 40. German 40. It's just going down. Just going down. You want to break support. If this thing is going to continue, you need to break support. You Need to break support. Where's the target? Maybe you could target something down here. I don't know. It's just going down. If it's going down, you need to wait on resistance support. You have resistance here, some resistance. So you need that, that break on that support to have a chance over here, or wait for some reversals or something on the buy side. Do you have NZD USD? Let's see. Missed it again today. Missed it yesterday, missed it today. So, this was a nice opportunity right here. This was a nice opportunity, but was locked in on gold, I think. I just missed it. I don't know. Just missed it. Looking for trendy stuff today. Trendy stuff today. W mindset, W discipline. Yeah, we gotta be patient, bro. We gotta be patient over here. We got one shot. We gotta make it count. One shot. Well, I have one shot because this is not financial advice. This is just education, this is just for education. TikTok is super strict, bro. Crazy. Crazy, bro. Like, can't be that soft. I think my thing is just flagged, bro. Maybe gotta just rest it for some time. Let's see. Senior Brad, it's been a minute. Hey, bro, we've been locked in every day. It's been every day, bro. We've been locked in every day. Live every day, bro. What you mean it's been a minute? Big bro, we've been locked in every day. We've been locked in every day. Oh, this is gonna be another impulse. Let's see. I'm gonna wait. London open. So I'm gonna wait for them. I'm gonna wait to see how the candle react. Let's see. 50 minute looks better. 15-minute does look better. The only thing I don't like with the 15-minute, like just overall, on the downside, just want to see maybe wait long enough for some different candles over here. Wait long enough for some different candles. So I want to see some stuff happening, up here. Nice closure. I want to see some stuff happening like that. Simple, Feel like we gotta sweat. Don't hear too much. Don't hear it's like sweat. Like a sweat zone. Pierre, this is Goldie. This is Goldie. Goldie. So let's see what's trending. Trend, support, resistance. That's the plan today. Trend, support, resistance. Ranging 80s, which is actually still going down since. Crazy stuff. It's trending to the downside, but it's trending and ranging. It's doing that. Break, range, break, range. Don't got no time for that today. AU already did that move. GJ ranging. NU already did that move. GA is looking like it can do something special later. Must have a nice little adder on GJ. GJ can have some stuff happening down there. Let's see. Let's see what's trending. Oh, GU is trending. See, like, price came up, support, price came up, support, price came up, support, came up, support, came up, support, came up, support. So, just looking for stuff like this right now. Keep it simple. So GU is finally doing something, Finally, is this gonna be another EN moment where it's been going up since forever, and then as soon as something happens, it just switches up? As soon as something happens, it just switches up. For gold, you just gotta, what's up, bro? How you interpret the wicks? Like, what information can be obtained? Let's see. Let's see what you're saying over here. Turn the music lower. Okay. Hey Jay, what's up, bro? Adi, what's up, bro? Brad, when you pass both fares after live funding, how much you use per trade? 0.5? Yeah, 0.5. 2.5, Mikhail. I'll have to leave. I didn't see these messages up here. Garrett, what's up, bro? 15 minutes to better arranging. Let's see, 15 minutes real quick. Ranging to new all-time highs. I don't know. I just want to see one level at a time. It's not far though. It's not far. Gold can easily go back up here. As of now, it's still doing its thing. Came down, made resistance, broke support, left made support, came back up, some resistance here again. If the range was good, like all day, but I don't know how I feel about this area, bro. This is a setup, but I don't know, not feeling this the lower part here, bro. Like it's just, this is just a mess. Everything over here is a mess. So I'll just, I'll keep waiting. Over here I'm gonna have to be super aggressive with what I'm doing, managing simulation stuff over here, but I don't know. Like if this was the only thing you could see, then I mean it looks good. I ain't gonna lie, this look good. Like if you could block all the noise out and just focus on this, then this would be a nice setup here. But when you got noise, you got more things to think about, this is what's gonna happen. So I don't know, maybe you just gotta block all the noise and just execute. What's up, Jay? How you interpret the wicks? Like what information can be obtained? Usually, bro, the wicks, some rejection. Like right here, this crazy wick here, bro, like rejection. Wicks, most of the time the wicks are like rejection, bro. The longer the wick, the stronger the rejection. Not every wick means rejection, but like this wick, like you could say a crazy rejection from the downside. This thing was super bearish and then it rejected and then it went bullish. So, that's different from, let's say, this candle right here with that wick is just a high of that candle, nothing crazy. So right here you got rejection. It depends where you got that wick too and what you're looking at, because this wick might mean something on the lower time frame. So like right here, this wick, it swept that previous high. It all depends on what you're looking at. If you're looking at support, resistance, and it breaks support and then there's a huge wick, can say, okay, rejected some support, or it all depends on what you're looking at. Where you been, man? Bro, been here every day. Some people on TikTok like, where you been, man? Bro, been locked in every day. You just got to look at the right place. You got to find the right place. We've been here every single day. Turn the music lower. Okay, bro. Let's see. Is it still loud? Is it still loud? What's your sharp ratio? What pairs is right now? This is Goldie. Gold USD. It's looking nice continuation, but it's looking tough to the left side over here. Can't ignore this noise, bro. Can't ignore this thing over here. Can't ignore that thing. So I'm gonna wait on this correction to the upside to have an idea what's going on with gold. We can all learn from this thing. So if you're on TikTok, this is just, this stream is just education. No financial advice, no promotions offered. We are just learning candlesticks over here. Nothing real over here. TikTok AI is super strict. That was Trump's speech. Oh yeah. Yeah, and then you gotta see like news too. It all depends what you're looking at. Someone on TikTok didn't even realize you had music on. It's not even loud. Oh, really? Maybe it's too low on TikTok then. Well, on my phone, let me see if I can. Yeah, so on TikTok, I think it's okay. But look, another continuation on Goldie. Same pattern here. Price came down, made some resistance, broke support, made resistance, broke support, breaking support. So let's see. I'm looking at trying to find that trendy thing right now. See, like GU doing the same thing right now. So I don't know. I gotta wait because I feel like I don't want the same situation happen like EN. This thing been going up, respecting lows, and then boom, boom shakalaka. So let's see what's happening on the other stuff over here. EU. See, he's going up to EJ ranging, ENGN, AJNU. Oh, AN is still going down. AN is doing this little thing. Bro, look at USD Swiss. Crazy. This is the type of stuff I'm talking about. Came down, made resistance, broke support. You know, this is the stuff that I'm talking about, bro. But I feel like it's too late. You know, gotta get in early when it just break that level. Once you break that level, you can start looking for that price action. Gold just gotta be super patient. Super patient. GA is looking interesting. GA. You see what's happening on GA? Do you like Russian music? Yeah, I love Russian music. I don't understand one thing, but I enjoy Russian music. I enjoy Russian music. I love Russian music. Gold. Let's see. Yeah, waiting on something special to happen on the buy side. If you wait long enough, you're gonna see it. You wait long enough, you will see it. You wait long enough, you will see it, bro. NJ. Okay, this was a sneaky one. NJ. All right, so news at 8:30. Okay, we're gonna be sleeping by then. Gonna be sleeping at that time. See what's happening at NJ? NJ? All right, so let's see. I'm liking NJ on the lower. I'm liking NJ on the lower. What? What? What you mean, bro? Do you like Russian music? Yeah, I like Russian music. I like Russian music, bro. All right, so NJ is looking. It's like he has some potential over here. Got H for a candle closing, pushing. I want to see it do a little bit more improved, but let's see. Let's see, there's some pullback over here. Will it happen? Maybe, maybe not. USD full news today. Yeah, later on. You know, I'm from Ukraine. Russian started war against Ukraine. Bro, I mean, Um, you know, I'm from Ukraine. Russia started war against Ukraine. You know, I'm from Ukraine. Russian started war against Ukraine. Um, that's tough. That's a tough one here in the music. Sorry to hear that, brother, about what we have to do with this. I'm trying to think of like, I'm trying to think what's going on with that situation. Because I don't know, like, bro, honestly, like, it's just listen to music. It's just music, bro. I mean, the war sucks, bro, but like, can't do anything about that, bro. If the same thing, if US start war right now with some countries, bro, like, people gonna listen to hip hop. People gonna listen to hip hop, R&B, like, like, I mean, it's music, bro. It's like when there's war, it's still got sports playing, it's still got teams playing against each other. Like, I don't know, like, I mean, it's a sensitive topic, bro. It's real stuff happening out there, but I feel like it's not like direct towards like even me listening to like Russian music, it's not direct towards Ukraine or anything or like any country or it's just looking at it from music point of view. Um, not talking about music, just like fact. Okay, well, yeah, we know that, bro. It sucks. No one wants war, bro. No one wants war, bro. Let's see. No one wants that stuff, bro. Um, I feel like that's gonna be a basically, bro, with that thesis, like no one will ever be able to listen to Russian music in 5 years, 10 years because they started war. So we can't really look at it like that. Music's gonna always be music. So that's a more local cultural issue, bro. Like on a wider scale, can't do anything about that, bro. Can't do anything about that. You know, that is that is a more local issue. Because technically, with that, if Russia started war with Ukraine, bro, it doesn't mean like no one in the world should listen to Russian music because there was a war with Ukraine. That's I feel like it's more local. If you think about it like with the unbiased situation, like that's just my view. You see my entries I sent you, bro? No, where? But yeah, bro, we all know about that thing. NZDJ boy. Can it make some more support? Can NJ make some more support over here? Alfred, I don't be really checking. I haven't checked my Instagram in days, bro. I haven't checked my Instagram in literally like days. Bro, my time on Instagram is probably like 5 minutes. That's what the thing say. Cause I like to let's see here, activity, time management, bro. I spend like 10 minutes on Instagram. Friday I spent like 40 minutes on Instagram. Saturday 8 minutes. Today literally 14 minutes. You know, I don't really be on Instagram, bro. But I see them. Oh, nice, bro. You pushing, bro. Just keep doing what you're doing, man. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep doing that thing, bro. Waiting for some support over here. Let's see what happened. GA. Oh, GA came back deep. Let's see what happened over here. Already laughing. Yeah, gold is just, you know, I'm just waiting over here. Waiting. Hyper. I don't know, maybe kind of hype, yes. Kind of hyped. What pair is this? This is gold. This is gold right here. Just waiting over here, nothing crazy, just waiting. Gold is about to shoot up again tomorrow. Tomorrow, really? We gotta be prepared. Gotta be prepared for tomorrow. Mike said it's gonna shoot up tomorrow. So we gotta be prepared tomorrow. Good morning. Hey, Tyron, what's up, bro? What's up, bro? GU1, EU1, UJ is retracing on. GU, EU1, UJ. GU. GU. I feel like, I mean, I was looking at this thing, but like, bro, this is crazy. This is crazy. Overbought. This thing is overbought, bro. Like, I don't know. This thing is overbought. Candles are printing like side by side. Gotta see what happened on GU. Just gotta see. Yeah, GU is way overbought, bro. You know, at least GU, EU. Let's see, EU, probably the same thing. Yeah, I'm gonna be super patient over here. I'm just trying to focus on NJ. NJ is looking, you know, was it NJ? Let's see. Was it NJ? Yeah, NJ. I'm gonna see how this H4 candle react. I'm gonna see if it's gonna hold support. This thing open with no bottom wick. Crazy. I'm gonna see what happened on NJ because it's going up, making resistance support. So let's see. Let's see what happened. If this thing can close bullish, I'm gonna be super interested. I want to see something like, you know, waiting on that support and then that next candle. Basically this, waiting on this candle all over again. You know, I want to see this thing close, maybe something close like this. Then I could be interested. And then if anything break below the support, then you can close half right there. Just keeping it simple. I know on the higher time frame it's going down, but for me, if price can get to like even 1-to-1, I'm gonna just move this SL to break even on the simulation. So that's what I'm gonna do. Keep it simple. Just gotta wait on that nice support. So this is a nice little pullback over here. A nice little pullback. Keeping it simple over here, you know. Not trying to be Batman, not trying to save the world with this. Just trying to wait on something simple. These two pairs are trending, not concerned. Maybe you can see all time right now. Yeah, it is trending. NU, GU is trending. You know, it is trending. Nice support, break resistance, support. Maybe this thing can break resistance now. This is not bad actually. You know, you just got to manage this thing over here. Easy can manage this thing. If it, you see what happened, it broke. You know, just gotta manage. Just have to manage. Just have to manage. Goal establishing support looks like, let's see. Yeah, today is a slow day, and well, can't say slow as yet. Just patient. Just gotta be patient. You gotta see it, you know, lose momentum. I want to see it lose momentum here and then start pushing to upside, and then we could see what's happening. How you think news non-F and non-farm employment tomorrow? Yeah, I'm not gonna be interested in seeing price action with news because I'm not usually interested in news. Kyle said gold is at a level that, and right now the levels are okay. So we can't talk about that stuff on the AI is super sensitive, bro. The AI is super sensitive. So let's do this. Um, don't even know how to die. Let's see. Brad, wait for the retracement to finish. Maybe use only 3 candle patterns or reversal patterns. Let's see. You're talking about GU? Which one? Which one are you talking about? Because this thing is breaking resistance right here. Brad, wait for the retracement to finish. Maybe use it. Are you talking about we're gonna keep an eye on NGU closer just to see. I didn't check UJ. Where's UJ? Okay, UJ is looking. Okay, I see what you're saying on UJ too. Keep an eye on UJ. I think it can feel this support over here. I mean, it's already done. Like this thing, for me, it's already basically there, bro. I'm not gonna push it. Try to push EN yesterday, but that thing switched up quick. That thing switched up quick. So today, just gotta be super careful. Gotta be super careful. Super careful over here. But this thing is respecting. You can see the same pattern all the way up. It's respecting the previous. So this might be the end. You see, did this thing push down resistance, push down resistance, push down resistance. So maybe, you know, this thing can push down too. I'm gonna keep an eye on NJ. GA. Oh, GA did the flip. So let's do this. Wait for this on the upside. Gold. Someone in TikTok said gold. Bentica said gold. Gold is doing its thing. Nothing crazy happening right now on gold. It's at a choppy area. Demand zone at 3080. 3080. That's all the way down here. I mean, we gotta clear this thing first. That's a far away. 3080 is all the way down here. Price is right here, so we gotta focus on where price is at. Gotta take it one zone at a time. And the first zone, let's see where the first zone is. The first thing is happening is right here, 3118. Like, you know, we got to deal with these stuff first before we can look at those things over there. Yeah, just waiting. I want to see something on the upside. I'll be back right. All right, Alfred. All right, bro. I mean, this setup, this is really good, but with the noise, I don't like it. You know, I don't like it with the noise. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna wait. Just going to wait. Yeah, crazy rejection on NU. So let's see. Let's see. Waiting for that thing to start. I was hoping it will start on the upside. Maybe we can push through this area, but let's see. It might be just pulling back to go down. So I'm gonna keep an eye on this thing right here, because this is what I'm locked in on right now. If you're on YouTube, you can see what I'm showing right now. If you're on TikTok, check my bio. What's a good buy for gold? 3080. Let's see. Mm, Gold. Good buy on gold. Where's that level? Good buy on gold. Right now, I'm looking to see what's gonna happen at 3132. Above 3132, you got nice clean range, like super clean range. 155 pips. So what I would want to see, a candle close with a body above this high. That's all. That's all I'm waiting for. Just like, just something close with a body above, and then the next candle can like open, make some bottom wick flip, break that previous high, and just continue going. So I think that's a good idea to understand what gold is doing. That is a good idea. Same thing we've always, been waiting on. Same thing what happened yesterday, same thing today. So we just gotta wait on the stuff that, I'm waiting on the stuff that I know is A plus, A minus, anything below like 0.5. Just waiting on the stuff that I'm used to. And if this thing can close the body here, then I'm used to seeing that. I'm used to seeing this setup, but the range doesn't align with the setup, so gotta ignore this thing. I'm ignoring this thing over here. Please, gold. This is gold, bro. This is gold. Abella. This is gold, bro. Right here. This is gold. This is goldy, bro. This is gold. So yeah, what's a good buy? This is gold, bro. This is gold. Waiting on some support rejection. Just gotta see. Anything down here, I'm gonna close the buy bias on this thing. See what GA did. Did it go above? Just gotta adjust. As a trader, you gotta adjust. Have to, bro. Have to. Can we get some nice? Can I get a nice break right here? This would be a good idea. Let's see. This thing close super bullish. So let's see. Rwanda. Rwanda, bro. We're going to Rwanda. We're going to Rwanda. This is a setup that I would see, would give a second chance to. This is a setup I would definitely give a second chance. Definitely. Came up with support right here. Okay, we looking good on the 1 and the 5 on gold. 1 and 5 minute. On the 1 and 5 minute. 1 and 5 minute. It's right now it's just ranging. It's just ranging. It's just ranging right now, bro. Bro, what happened yesterday? You still kept that 0.1? You still kept that 0.1 Garrett? You still kept that 0.1 or what? What happened, bro? Gotta take it one day at a time, man. One day at a time. Yo, hybrid. Hey, Leo, what's up, bro? Show gold. Yeah, this is gold right here. This is Goldie. This is Goldie right there. This is gold right there, bro. Yeah, today just waiting, just chilling, just waiting. Where you from, bro? I'm from Jamaica, bro. Where you from, bro? Sir, where you from? Rolly J, time frame. This is the 30-minute time frame. Where are you from, Sir? Bombo. Sammy. One Sammy. Sammy said Bombo. Nigeria. I'm Nigeria. Oh, let's go. Got a Nigerian brother in here. Got a Nigerian brother in here, bro. Respect to Nigeria, bro. Respect to Nigeria, bro. Respect Nigeria. Right now, just waiting. Yesterday was more lively on gold. Today, just waiting. So, you show up every day, you get to understand the different character of gold. Someday you got crazy volume, someday you got range, someday you're chilling. So today, so far, you're just chilling. Nigeria, let's go. Nigeria, let's go. Rolly, you from Nigeria too. Rolly J from Nigeria. We got some people from Nigeria over here. Very clear. SLB. No ideas yet. We gotta wait on the candles. It all depends. It's too early to know the SL, Market's horrifying after Trump business. Yeah. But no setup here as yet. Just waiting. Just candles at the moment. Alex J. Hey Alex, what's up, bro? Hit the likes, good people. Hi, Red Opal. Yeah, Alex said hit the likes, good people. So we got 6 people in here, and this thing is at 9 likes. So let's step it up. Let's 12 likes. Let's go. I'm at Big right? No, 64 ticks. Oh, nice. Nice, bro. What are your trading tips when it comes to trading psychology ups and downs? I would say just this is not financial advice, TikTok. This is just, simulation, the idea. I would say just do like 1 to 2 trades per day, bro. 1 or 2. And depending on your tolerance, bro, like just do maybe 2%, 1%, 1 to 3%, and just keep it simple, bro. The less trades, the better. We got some people from Nigeria, Rinda. Wait, what flag is that? What flag is this? Is this Rinda? Is this? Let me try to guess this flag, bro. I know it's either Senegal or Cameroon. I know it's Senegal or Cameroon. Wait, let me see. It has to be Senegal or Cameroon, bro. Wait. I don't want to get it wrong. This has to be Senegal or Cameroon. Wait. This is so similar to Senegal. What is this? Bro, what flag is that? Oh, it is Cameroon, bro. Cameroon. Cameroon, bro. Cameroon. I thought it was Senegal, bro. I didn't realize Senegal and Cameroon, the flags were so identical, bro. I didn't realize the flags were so identical. Really? It's basically the same, almost the same. Bro, that is crazy. What you guys have like some? You guys are like, let's check the location on these things. Let's check the location. So this is Cameroon. So where's Senegal? Where's Senegal? Cameroon is right here. Senegal. Bro, Senegal is all the way over here. So how you guys have the same flag? You guys have basically the same flag. Almost the same flag. Let's see. Yeah, just gotta wait. Want to see something close, like nothing crazy, bro. Looks like right here. It has to clear this range. It has to clear this range. Bro, they have the same flag. Cameroon and Senegal. I didn't know that. It looks super close. Flags are super close. Bro, how often do you go live? What your daily routine? Bro, live every single day. 2 a.m. 2 a.m. Eastern time, bro. On multiple platforms. Go to my if you're on TikTok, go to my bio for more info. Time to let my winners just win on 5 markers in a row. Oh, nice. Maybe next candle. Let's see. I mean, I want to. Maybe the next candle will close above. Yeah, maybe the next one. Maybe the next one. If the next one can close above, then that is a good idea. That is a good idea. What's this, gold? Yeah, this is gold. This is Goldie right here. Good old Goldie. Hey, Brad. Hey, Logi 4K. What's up, bro? Oh, bro. Stinger. 1 stinger. It's Phillips. Phillips. What's up, bro? What's up, Phillips? Oh, you on TikTok today? Phillips on TikTok today. We got some alert going off. NU, okay. Time to lock in at NU. You see what's happening at NU? NU, okay, let's see. I think this would be a nice opportunity over here. If this thing can get it's a nice candle. I'm not convinced with these candles as yet. Need a nicer candle. Need a nicer candle. These candles, you see the price action, it's so small. Need a candle that's super convincing. Even if we gotta sacrifice some management over here. Need a candle that's super convincing. NU, yeah, this is looking convincing to me now. NU. I mean, both are looking okay. I still want to see NJ do some more work. NU, I need to see something convincing. This is not convincing. This can come down at any time. Just waiting on the right candle to see if it's gonna hold. Got any free? Let's see. Yeah, in my TikTok, bro. In my TikTok bio. Your mic is muted. Accumulation phase, yeah. Let's see what's happening on Goldie. Gold is accumulating as well, so let's see if this candle can maybe do something like this. That's not a bad idea. Just waiting on that close, nothing crazy. Gold will be gone without us, bro. That's okay. If it goes without, that's okay. Just gotta wait until tomorrow. I'm here to make sure it don't get banned. Yo, Philip's funny, bro. Bro, Philip's funny. Okay, bro, we got a mod Philip. Gotta make sure Philip funny, bro. Nice Phillips on TikTok today. Yeah, I don't know, bro. TikTok, we just gotta see. We just gotta see. We just gotta be super careful. But TikTok, I don't know. We just chilling over here. We just, it's a chill day. Like this is no financial advice. Like we just chilling, bro. But we live every single day, no matter what. So, even when TikTok is chilling, we're still live, bro. Still live. Still live, bro. Caught the lower level. Oh, nice. Nice. Bro said he caught it on the lower level. Yeah, so gold, it came down. It's ranging, so now we should expect something. Hopefully, what I would want to see on gold, just a nice closure right here. That's it. That's it. Let's see if we can find the setup yesterday. Yeah, right here. I think it was right here. No. Where was yesterday? What day is it? Basically, waiting on this on Goldie. Waiting on this on Goldie right here. right here. Waiting on this. Yeah, perfect. This is the setup yesterday. Waiting on. Wait, let me see. Get it on right on TikTok. On TikTok, you can't see the whole screen, but let me see. Yeah, waiting on this candle. This is the magic candle. Same range situation. Close above. Next candle to do that nice continuation. That's the idea. Just gotta make sure execute on the same thing over and over again. So that's how you you get the confidence to execute by executing on the same thing over and over again. I was on that trade yesterday. Oh, nice. Look at USD, bro. USD, NZD. Yeah, I'm keeping an eye on it, bro. Keeping an eye on it. Still got room up here. It's okay. I'm just seeing. Just want to make sure it's gonna actually go up and not just drop. Just want to make sure. So I'm looking at the price action right here. So let's see. Just gotta wait. The higher it comes to this high, the better. Anyways. That's Bitcoin. No. Boss Queen, what's up? What's up, Boss Queen? Why pre? Yeah, so on gold, just waiting on the same thing. Okay. You good? Alright. Yeah, still gotta wait on this candle to close. 15 minutes. This candle has to close with a body, of course. Yeah, we're chilling. Chill day. New York session was also good yesterday. Oh, really? Came off yesterday. Look at NZD. You see, I was on that trade yesterday. Oh, nice. I'm gonna catch all of that with 0.5. Yeah, the next one gonna be 0.5. So yesterday did 1%, went up to 2% on the simulation, of course. With the runner, the partial went as far as 2%, bro. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a step back today to make sure I can preserve what happened yesterday, bro. Then when I create a buffer, then I could then just do 1%. So that's the plan. That is the plan, bro. That is the plan. Your thoughts on EA? Let's see. You listen to Russian songs? It's on shuffle, yeah, but this is Russian. Some Russian, some it's mixed. Itachi Atasuki. EA, let's see EA. Itas on EA. Mm, 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 mm. And he's looking like it's about to break right now, so let's see. Mm, mm, Can't show this thing on TikTok, bro. Can't show this thing on TikTok. Then the AI is gonna be like, oh, he's plotting. Plus 1%. 8.5. Okay. you just went and opened that door. 8.5. Okay, so if this thing can break, okay, let's see. All right, so I'm locked in on this thing, okay? Right here should be good. Yeah, you could go ahead. Zero 57675. Yes, so I'm about to send this setup in the Telegram. So let's see. Um, what pair? This is NU. NU and Goldie. NU and Goldie Sha. Let's see. Yeah, so check gold real quick. Same thing on Goldie. NJ doing well. Gold is moving. Let's see. Bro, everything is so manual on match. Everything is super manual on match trader. Alright, so let's see what happened over here. Let's see. Alright, I'm gonna mute TikTok real quick. Alright, so this is what I'm doing on NU. If this thing close below at this point, I would say about this structure right here. If this close with a body below, let's say right here with a body, I'm gonna close half. I'm gonna just close 50%. Not holding on to this thing, because this is the thing. If it can hit support, it should be pushing up with volume to break this high. So now, like, everything that happened between, let's say, this resistance and the entry, super important. You know, so I want to see it break, and at that point, then I could be aggressive with what I'm going to do. Because if it's going to break this high, then it shouldn't be coming back down here. So at this point, I'm going to be super aggressive with closing, you know, closing like here. So because this is 1%, so if I can save like 0.4, 0.5%, then we just wait on the next setup. Just wait on the next setup. So that's the plan with this thing over here. So I want to see what happened. So let's see. Okay, so yeah. So back to Goldie. If you want TikTok, you gotta go to my bio, see what's really happening over here. EA. Bad doji in 50 minutes. You don't want to add too much variables. You don't want to add too many variables, bro. Let's check EA. Let's check EA real quick. Gotta keep an eye on gold as well. Let's see. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set a nice alert here, just in case, like, you know, price start coming back. Then you can start managing, because you can't control anything but risk, you know, so you gotta manage. EA, where is it? EA, bro, first thing I see is ranging. Mogui. EA seems to be ranging, so I want to wait on some break or something, you know, maybe on the downside, the upside, preferably the downside. Let's see, preferably the downside. Second language is Russian. Oh, nice. So that means you understand what, you know, what's going on. I'm near to Russia. From Uzbekistan. Oh, nice. Uzbekistan. That That flag, is it like blue, yellow, or something? Uzbekistan. Oh, Uzbekistan. This is Uzbekistan. This is Uzbekistan. I think what works best too, bro. Like on TikTok, you gotta switch it up. We can't just be talking about trading the whole time. You know, we gotta let the AI know that we chill, bro. We can't just be talking about. We gotta switch it up. We gotta talk about other stuff too. On gold, we're just waiting. So we gotta switch it up, bro. I think that's what it is too. I think that's what it is. Took my 60 ticks waiting for the break. Yeah, I'm waiting for the break too. Waiting for the break and close. Waiting for the break and close. That was Cameroon, Senegal, and this is, if you guys didn't know, this is Uzbekistan. Uzbekistan. Let's see. Why is my thing always using Bing? Why do I use Google, bro? Uzbekistan. Bro, who else from Uzbekistan? Who else is from Uzbekistan? Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan. Crazy places over here. Tajikistan. Turkmenistan. Azerbaijan. Kyrgyzstan. I've heard of Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan. I heard of Afghanistan, Tajikistan. No, I heard of Pakistan. Bro, Pakistan. All of these tan. What is with the tan? What is with the tan? What is with tan, bro? I'm from USA, Houston, Texas. Oh, let's go. I'm from Jamaica, bro. Right now I'm in Georgia. Badoji on 15 minutes. This is what's going on TikTok. Let's see the TikTok chat. Been locked in on the YouTube chat for a minute. Been locked in. Ethiopia. Ethiopia, nice. Let's see. Jerageru from Ethiopia. Ethiopia. Nice place, bro. Ethiopia, nice place. Ethiopia. Bro, we have similar culture. Ethiopia, Jamaica, similar culture. Super similar culture. Yeah, gold is just chilling, so we chilling over here. Gold chilling, we chilling. If gold is chilling, bro, we chilling. I missed my entry on EU. You missed your entry on EU. See what you missed on the EU. Yeah, EA, bro. Like EA needs to break on the downside or something, or above.
Incoming mail.
Um, gotta manage this thing over here. Actually, let's see. Forgot about TikTok, bro. We gotta chill. Let's do it on my phone. Gotta do it over on the phone over here, bro. All right, at 1-to-1, there's no point holding that hard SL, bro. Right, there's no point on this simulation. There's honestly no point, bro. Um, yeah, so at 1-to-1, there's no point. There's no point holding a hard S. Like if it's gonna go up, bro, like you just manage. When you get a chance to manage, you manage. What plot do you bro? Let me mute TikTok real quick. Gotta mute TikTok. Platform, bro. Right now, this is I use MetaTrader right now, and this is the challenge, bro. So we're doing for the swing side match trader, which is frustrating. But for the gold trade locker, bro. Right now, using like 3 or 4 different softwares, bro. My favorite software is, I ain't gonna lie, I'm getting to like Trade Locker, bro. I ain't gonna lie, but right now my favorite C Trader, but Trade Locker is really good. MetaTrader is just like, I don't even know, bro. MetaTrader is just horrible, bro. On the swing side, yeah, you could do MetaTrader, but basically, bro, Trade Locker is really good, man. If your broker has Trade Locker, go for it. Because you get to adjust your thing to the exact pip. You see, like the other panel, bro, like it's super accurate. You know, and Match Trader, like I don't know, maybe I gotta spend some more time to figure it out on Match Trader. On Match Trader, I'm still using FX Book, bro. Not hearing you. Yeah, I had to mute TikTok real quick, bro. I had to talk about something that we can't talk about on TikTok, only on YouTube. I never tried to see about Matchetta. Yeah, bro, Matchetta is horrible, bro. Literally horrible. It's the worst one I ever used in my entire life. EN, I think we gotta give EN a break. After yesterday, EN was not friendly, bro. EN was not friendly. EN was not friendly. If this thing can get to 1-to-1, can put that thing at break even. Let's set an alert right here. Just as a reminder, let's set one down here too, because if this thing flips, then not interested anymore. You know, gotta make sure volume is. I gotta make sure that volume is, you know, gotta depend on volume, not bias. Can't depend on the bias, gotta depend on the volume. So if this thing flip, then I'ma just wait. You know, I'ma just wait. EN, did it break? It's ranging. It's like EA right now. EN and EA looking similar. Maybe we can get one more swing set up today. Let's see. It means we Turkish nation. Oh, really? Oh, I didn't know that, bro. I didn't know that. I didn't know that. Second language is Russian. Nice. How much was your smallest trading account before you made it? Bro, started as low as 100. Started with as low as 100, 400, below 400, below 100, all that stuff. Someone said full, bro. We can't say that, bro. Full port, nah, bro. No full port. I'm back, bro. Alfred, where you went, bro? You went to class? You went to class, bro? You went to class, bro. Alfred went to class over here. So let's see. Yeah, so at this point, let's see. Let's update this in the Telegram. Um, so at this point, I'm gonna just put this thing at a 1. So at 1 to 1. So yeah, gotta be super aggressive over here. Ain't got time to be playing around with because it just broke this high. So look at the last time it broke the high, it kept going. Every time it break the high, it kept going. So it should do that. At this point, this is enough to see. You don't want to see anything else. You don't want to see anything else. If it's gonna come back, then just gotta it's whatever. You pay to see. That's what it is. So we not exposing to 1% anymore. So volume, this thing is now a break even, and you just forget about it. If it hit 1 to 2, that's it. If you come back break even, you try again, do the same exact thing. So you got to control what you can control, and the only thing you can control is risk and the simulation, of course, because this is not financial advice. This is just a simulation over here. So that's what we do. That's what we're doing. I can share my secret, but you don't reply to. Bro, I'm Alfred. I do not use Instagram, bro. When I'm done with the stream, bro, I don't look at the chart until the next day. I don't look at it until the next day, bro. Like yesterday, we came off the live. I don't look at that noise, bro. I want to come back to the chart with a fresh mindset, fresh everything, bro. So I'm not gonna look to because this is the thing. Let's mute TikTok real quick. If you want TikTok right now, you gotta go to my bio to see what's going on. But we gotta mute TikTok real quick. Alfred, we can't execute off signals, bro, because it's not a system. It's not a system. I can share my signals, bro, but you don't reply to me, bro. Signals, bro, it's not a system, bro. It's like a hustle. Because if you send me your signal, bro, I'm gonna need your signals every time. You know what I'm saying? So it's fine, bro. Maybe I just share it to Russian. Bro, I don't even trade EU, Alfred. I don't trade EU, bro. This is the stuff that I'm looking at right now. NU, NJ, GA, GJ. Let's see. Okay. Unmute TikTok. GU, EU, and UJ is fire pair, bro. Yeah, those are fire pair, bro. Those are really good. Let's see gold, bro. Gotta set an alert on gold. Once Christian says gold, bro, it's time to lock in on gold. Bro, I know I don't gotta check gold because no one's saying gold. Everyone know we are waiting for this thing to close up here, so no one's saying gold. There's nothing to look at in a range. So someone will say gold. If we're looking at the swing side and gold is about to break and close, someone will say gold. And then we can be like, okay, what's happening? GJ. Oh, I see. Hmm? Popeyes. Yeah, let's see if we can get some support over here. Gotta hustle that support and some volume. Oh, alert went off. Is that on the downside? No, on the upside. So let's see. That alert means, get out of there in terms of risk. So now just gotta see. Um, Waiting on some support on GJ. Waiting on some support, rejection. Basically waiting on this. If you can get these two candles, well, this one is super important. That first bull candle, same thing here, bull candle, execution candle. So gotta get a nice bull candle and be able to manage this thing over here. Super aggressive on the swing side today. We just got to see what happens. Trend is your friend. Let's see. You just gotta forget about the knives. If there's a rejection, it goes as far as 1 to 1. Just if it's gonna reverse, just put thing at break even and call it a day. Don't be holding that hard SL. Okay. Let's. What is the name of the symbol? You gotta go on my bio. Go on my bio, bro. Because you can't see the whole screen on TikTok. You gotta. I'm